चुप चुप। Hello guys, I am from Bhogras, Math Sab. I shall explain question number 2A that has been taken from exercise 6.5, chapter 6, maximum and minima of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, find the maximum and minimum values, if any, of the function given by f of x equal to mod x plus 2 mod minus 1. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that. Here I shall write given that f of x equal to mod x plus 2 mod minus 1. This is the given function I have written here. Here you can see mod x plus 2 mod. What to do in this case? Here I shall write and take first term. So here I shall write implied that mod x plus 2. What I have done here? Simply I have taken here first term mod x plus 2 will always be greater than equal to 0. Here the first term is mod x plus 2 mod. I have written here first term mod x plus 2 mod. First term mod x plus 2 mod will always be greater than equal to 0. For all x belong to set of real number. Now I shall define what are the elements of set of real number. So here I shall write in rough work set of real number comes out to be all numbers. All numbers are included in the set of real numbers. Negative number, negative integer, positive integer, 0, all numbers, any number will be included in the set of real number. Here real number I can write dot dot, it goes up to infinite, but infinite will not be included in the set of real number. So here write like minus 8, minus 10, five, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 8, dot dot. The elements I have written in the set of real numbers, all numbers, whether that number is negative integer, positive integer or 0 will be included in the set of real number. So here for all x belong to set of real number. This means that the value of x I shall take from any one element of these elements. If I take x equal to minus 8, if I take here x equal to minus 8, then minus 8 belong to set of real number. Here you can see minus 8 is there in the set of real number. So if you write here x equal to minus 8, minus 8 belong to set of real number. The value of x I shall write here. Now mod value of x, here I shall write minus 8. Minus 8 plus 2 will always be greater than 0. Now see here implied that mod minus 8 plus 2 comes out to be minus 6. Minus 6 greater than equal to 0. This comes out to be mod minus 6 mod comes out to be 6. will be greater than 0. Greater than 0. So here you can see mod minus 6 will be equal to 6. 6 is greater than 0. This means that the value of x, I have written here minus 8, that is belong to set of real number. This is statement true. Here mod x plus 2 greater than equal to 0. If you put here x is equal to minus 2, so here minus 2 belong to set of real number. Minus 2 belong to set of real number. So what will do in place of x? I shall write here minus 2 plus 2. See the result equal to 0. Minus 2 plus 2 comes out to be 0. So mod 0 is equal to 0. So this is true. This is true. This statement is true. So this is the rough work I am going to just cross out for understanding purpose. So this statement, this inequality is true. Mod x plus 2 mod greater than or equal to 0 for all x belong to set of real number. I have explained through this example. So what to do in this case? Here I shall write, here you can see minus 1. Function f of x mod x plus 2 minus 1. So here just write x plus 2 mod minus 1 will be greater than equal to 0 minus 1 for all x belong to set of real number. Here mod x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0 is an inequality in which the left hand side is mod x plus 2 and right hand side is 0. Add minus 1. Add minus 1 to the left hand side comes out to this, and add minus 1 to the right hand side comes out to this one. So what to do? Here you can see mod x plus 2 minus 1. Mod x plus 2 minus 1 comes out to be fx as it is fx. So here I shall write very well, f of x will be greater than equal to 0 minus 1 comes out to be minus 1 for all x belong to set of real number. This thing happen. So here you can see f of x greater than, the value of f of x will always be greater than minus 1, or the minimum value of f of x comes out to be minus 1. Here less, greater than, here minus 1 is less, the f of x is equal to minus 1 you have got. So here I shall write f of x equal to minus 1. What to do in this case? Here I shall write the f of x equal to minus 1. That will be the minimum value of f of x. So here I shall write the minimum value of f of x. The minimum value of f of x equal to minus 1. The minimum value of f of x equal to minus 1. When mod x plus 2 mod equal to 0, so here I shall imply that x plus 2 equal to 0 implies that x equal to minus 2 we have got. The value of x equal to minus 2 I shall put in this function. So here I shall write f of x equal to mod x plus 2 minus 1 implies that put x equal to minus 2. Put x equal to minus 2. So here I shall write minus 2 will get here. In place of x I shall write minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 implied that f of minus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 2 comes out to be 0. So here we will get 0 minus 1 implied that f of minus 2 comes out to be minus 1. Same, the minimum value of f comes out to be minus 1. Here you have got minus 1. So here I can write here very well the minimum value of f of x equal to minus 1 when x equal to minus 2. The value of x I shall write minus 2. The minimum value of f of x we shall get minus 1. From this equality you can see f of x is greater than minus 1. So here I can write very well for any value of x belong to set of real number and f of x greater than equal to minus 1 minus 1 there is not any particular maximum value of f of x. For any value of x belongs to set of real number and f of x greater than equal to minus 1, there is not any particular maximum value of f of x. This thing you have got. The answer you have got this one. The minimum value of f of x comes out to be minus 1 and the maximum value is not determined here. There is not any particular maximum value of f of x. You have to write particular. Particular word should be written in there. Or this statement, x belongs to set of real number and f of x greater than or equal to minus 1. This thing you have to write. So this is the completing explanation and solution of question number 2A, exercise 6.5. Now, like this you can solve another question. Just I am going to explain, wait for a while, what to do in this case. Another question later on I shall take 2B. Till now, goodbye.